Hey, did you ever imagine that seaweed could be the future in feeding the world while increasing biodiversity?
Seaweed. Yes, weed. From the sea. Have you tried it before? If you haven't yet, here's why you should. First off, seaweed is not only used as a source of food, but its uses range from biofuels to biodegradable packaging. It helps sustain ocean life, water quality, carbon sequestration, and provides oxygen while growing on the ocean. Moreover, not only it is tasty, but also highly nutritious. However, its consumption in Western countries is far from high compared with countries where it is considered a staple food. It is also a solution to the current problem of degradation of soil derived from commercial agricultural practices, as the cultivation of seaweed mostly happen on the sea. Today, more than 145 varieties are used around the world in various cuisines. Some wide-known dishes include kelp or kombu soup or sushi. Seaweed is an excellent source of iodine, a vital trace mineral that plays a critical role in thyroid health. Furthermore, seaweed, such as purple laver, is a good source of vitamin B12, which can mostly only be absorbed from animal-based products. This makes seaweed a valuable addition to a vegetarian or vegan-based diet, which we should move to reduce 14.5% of anthropogenic greenhouse gas that livestock produces globally. Furthermore, seaweed provides food and shelter for all kinds of shore creatures, from grazing mollusks to tiny fish. Research demonstrates that striving for a balance between seaweed and its environment is essential. Since applying pesticides or fungicides in open water is not viable, reliance on the natural biodiversity of the water becomes necessary for plant health. This is not only possible by having the right size of farms and promoting biodiversity around it, this will also result in capturing CO2, lowering the acidification of the oceans, and is degrading. It is estimated that by 2050, 90% of the land will be degraded. So, let's move to the highest, most unused surface area of the world, the sea.
Seaweed is a very common food in the Asian cuisine. As you can see here, I acquired two samples of consumable products. Such a dish of seaweed as a starter is similar to a salad in the Western cuisine and is normally referred to a cold dish. And seaweed can also made into snacks such as this. And seaweed can come in all different kind of forms. This one is in strips and this one is in chunks. Other than the starters and snacks, seaweeds can also be found in multiple regular dishes. For example, the braised seaweed knot and the seaweed soup. Also, salads like seaweed strips with tofu skins are very popular in Asian cuisine as well.
If you think seaweed is worth a try for everything it has to offer, don't hesitate to try. And if you think someone else might be interested in seaweed, please share our video with them. Let's make a better world together.